This video comes up with several key considerations to keep in mind before we sell broken phones. From assessing the condition of the devices to determining where and how to sell them, it'll offer the info we need to make the trade as rewarding as possible. Part 1. Can you sell broken phones for cash? Yes, you can sell broken phones for credit online. Some service providers accept phones in various conditions, including those with dents, scratches, cracked screens, and water damage. Part 2. What to consider before selling broken phones. 5 tips. 1. How do you know if a phone is broken? Cracked device screen, broken microphone or speakers, battery issues like being unable to charge, faulty buttons or unresponsive touch screens. 2. Should I repair my broken phone before selling a broken phone? Consider such factors as repair costs, market demand, and time constraints. If repairs boost resale value and are cost-effective, go ahead. Otherwise, selling as is may be more practical. 3. How much is the broken device worth? To determine the cash value of your broken phone, consider factors such as its model, maker, extent of damage, and market demand. Utilize our online price tool for a quick, no-commitment quote. 4. What to do when you're worried about your data loss? You can consider using Mobican Backup Manager for Android, Windows, and Mac. This tool is known as Android Backup and Restore, a professional and efficient phone backup program. 5. How to value your personal privacy in your broken phone. Mobican Eraser for Android offers a reliable solution to irreversibly delete all data, making recovery impossible. This tool provides 3 erasing levels: low, medium, and high, suitable for all Android phones and tablets. Part 3. Where to sell broken phones. 7 best places. 1. Ecote. 2. Declutter. 3. Music Magpie. 4. Mobile Monster. 5. Sappy Care. 6. Cellsol. 7. Local Store. Part 4. How to sell broken phones conveniently. Search or select your phone model. Use valuation calculator for instant quote. Select broken condition. Check email for QR code to post office. Wait for payment processing, arrives in bank after few days.